got started because the fools of the kingdom decided to unionize. And the king actually was so bemused by all of this, he granted their wish.
The slopes overlooking Lake Lugano have already burst into flower. It's resulted in an exceptionally heavy spaghetti crop. There's always the chance of a late frost, which, while not entirely ruining the crop, generally impairs the flavor. But now these dangers are over, and the spaghetti harvest goes forward.
Well, we have to enjoy ourselves as well. Racing gets fully into its stride. We'll continue to do our best to cover sport in the way that you like, backed up by...
Nixon for president in 1992. An act of complete political lunacy or another extraordinary development in an already history-making campaign for the White House. Reaction this hour on Talk of the Nation. Our number here is...